Bonjour, in this video I will show you how to use Google My Map to draw a travel map. And I suggest you to open your Google Drive, and the benefit of using starting from the Google Drive is that the map is going to be automatically saved in your drive when it's completed. So open your Google Drive and click on the new button that you have on the upper left side of your screen. And go down to More and click on Google My Map. So I suggest to have the list of your attractions that you plan to visit in your city. If you do a travel tour of the city, and for this example, I'm going to use Paris, and the hotel that I selected to stay is named Hotel Gustave. So that's going to be my starting point. So you tap on the search space of the Google My Map, the name of the hotel, Hotel Gustave, and you should see the name. And make sure you have a right hotel with the selection of the city and the country. All right, so Hotel Gustave in Paris, France. So I'm going to click on that, and it shows on the map the location of the hotel, and it shows on the left side of the screen the name of the hotel. So on the left side on the title map, click plus button to add the Hotel Gustave as starting points, because normally you leave your hotel to go to visit different attraction, and after that you go back to the hotel. So the starting point is going to be the hotel. All right, so I click on that hotel, and from there I'm going to add a direction. So look on the toolbar, the button name add direction, click on that, and it's going to add a direction from Hotel Gustave to the next destination. So I plan to visit the Louvre Museum, so I'm going to write Louvre Museum or Musée du Louvre in French and add it as a destination. All right, you can even select the type of transportation by clicking on driving. If you want to walk, just click walk, or if you want to drive, use a bike, etc. So you have different options. For now I'm going to use driving. All right, but you can also use a walk if you want. It's up to you, depending on the distance. All right, so I'm going to use driving for this example. Okay, so after Musée du Louvre I plan to go to Arc de Triomphe, different location, different attraction in Paris. So I'm going to type Arc de Triomphe after clicking on add destination, and it takes me to a different location, which is Arc de Triomphe. So from there I can actually walk on the Champs-Élysées, which is a nice avenue in Paris and well known around the world also. And I can stop at a restaurant. So I selected Les Maréchaux, which is a restaurant close to Arc de Triomphe. So make sure you choose the right place. Look at the city and the country as well. All right, so Les Maréchaux, click on that, and that's gonna be the restaurant where I plan to eat after Arc de Triomphe. And from Arc de Triomphe I can go back to Eiffel Tower. I click add destination and I put Eiffel Tower. All right, so Eiffel Tower or La Tour Eiffel en français, in French. And from Eiffel Tower I can go back to the hotel. So that will be Eiffel Tower is going to be my last attraction to visit the first day, and I put Hotel Gustave so as my next destination, Hotel Gustave in Paris, France. All right, so the map is completed, and you can see here that you have the travel map. So this map is automatically saved in your Google Drive if you started from the Google Drive, right? So you can take a screenshot if you want, but it is available in your Google Drive. And if you take a screenshot, make sure you have all the attraction and stuff that you have on the map visible before your screenshot. All right, and you can name the map if you possible. So we can call it first day in Paris. I'm gonna put in French premier jour à Paris. À Paris for this map. This is just an example. Okay, so if you second day, you just put second day, and you can add a description if you want. Okay, and you save. Then so it's completed and it's done. You can increase the size, take a screenshot, just make sure you have everything visible before your screenshot if you want, but it is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So if you go back to your Google Drive, you're going to see it here, and just refresh your screen, and it is visible right here. Premier jour apparaît. Then you can share it like any document that any Google document that you share by clicking on the share button. So that's all you need to do for the travel map. Thank you for watching.